Identifying your organization's strengths is one of the most critical parts of a SWOT analysis. Why? Because it helps you understand what sets you apart and gives you the confidence to compete, innovate, and grow. It's not just about knowing what you're good at, it's about knowing what you do better than anyone else and how those strengths support your mission and goals. The process starts with a simple but powerful question: what makes us successful? Start by looking at your performance metrics. Where do you consistently outperform your competitors? That could be in customer satisfaction, product quality, delivery speed, market share, or financial performance. Numbers don't lie, and they often point directly to your strengths. Next, look at your core capabilities. What are the skills, processes, or technologies that drive your success? Maybe it's your in-house R&D team, your efficient supply chain, or your proprietary algorithms. These are strengths that go deeper than surface-level performance. They're embedded in how you operate and how you solve problems. Don't forget your people. Talent is one of the biggest sources of strength for any organization. Do you have a leadership team with vision and experience? A culture that supports innovation and collaboration? Employees who go above and beyond? High morale, low turnover, and strong internal communication are often signs of organizational health and strategic strength. Customer relationships are another big indicator. If you have loyal customers, long-term contracts, or strong word-of-mouth referrals, those are signs that you're delivering value in a way others can't easily replicate. Customer loyalty isn't just about satisfaction. It's about trust, consistency, and emotional connection. It also helps to think about your brand and reputation. What do people say about you in your industry? Are you known for reliability, creativity, speed, or integrity? Your brand is a strength when it creates preference and reduces friction in sales or hiring. A strong brand doesn't just attract customers. It attracts partners, talent, and opportunities. Ask for input. Internal SWOT sessions are great, but don't stop there. Ask your customers why they choose you. Survey your team. Get feedback from vendors or partners. They might see strengths you've taken for granted. Sometimes the outside view is the clearest one. It's also important to recognize emerging strengths. These may not be fully developed yet, but show signs of high potential. Maybe you've just launched a new service line or restructured a team to be more agile. These areas are early indicators of future capability, and they deserve attention. Finally, look for patterns. Are there strengths that keep showing up in different areas of your business? Maybe your adaptability is reflected in your product development, customer support, and internal operations. When strengths align across functions, they become part of your organizational DNA. Identifying strengths isn't about listing everything you're good at. It's about highlighting what matters most, what truly differentiates you and drives impact. These are the assets you want to invest in, protect, and scale. Because the better you understand your strengths, the better you can build a strategy that works.